All right, now we're going to try and solve the same question using the t-chart method. So of course I need to make my t-chart. And I'm going to put my start time on one side. And I'm going to put my end time on the other side. And again, the way one person chooses their increments here might be different than the way another person finishes their increments. So it just depends on the fact that you arrive at the same and correct answer. So if you have different increments, but you end up with the same amount of elapsed time at the end, then you're doing it right. Don't worry. So let's go through this. So we're starting at 9:16, and I would like to make 9:16 to an easier number. So if I wanted to, I could jump straight to 10 o'clock and figure out how much minutes are between 9:16 and 10 o'clock. So I would do 60, take away 16. But let's make it a little bit easier for us by using friendlier numbers. So I'm going to go to 9:20. So my first time I'm going to go to is 9:20 after 9:16. So to get from 9:16 to 9:20, that's 4 minutes. And I record how much time is in the jump here on the right side. Now I want to go to the next hour, so it's easier for me. So I'm going to go to the next hour, which is 10 a.m. All right, so to get from 9:20 to 10 a.m., I need to think. I've got 20 minutes here. How many more minutes have to get me to an hour of 60 minutes? So that would be 40 minutes. Okay, from 9:20 to 10 a.m. is 40 minutes. Now that I'm at 10, let's go to 12 before the clock starts again. So if I'm going to 12, then what I need to do is add 2 hours. From 10 to 11, 11 to 12 is 2 hours. Now I'm going to go to 2 p.m. So that is 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 more hours. And finally, we're going to go from 2 to 2:04, our end time. And that means that we are adding 4 minutes. So now, because we have hours and minutes in our right column, I can't just do my regular addition. I need to take turns. So first, I'm going to figure out my hours. I've got 2 plus 2, so that gives me 4 hours. And now I need to add up my minutes and make sure that it doesn't pass 60 minutes because that would give us an hour. So if we had 70 minutes, that would actually be an hour and 10 minutes. So let's see. We've got 4 plus 40 plus 4. And that's going to give us 48 minutes. So the answer to our question, and we have to answer in a sentence format because we're not done yet, 4 hours and 48 minutes has elapsed between 9:16 a.m. and 2:04